Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and in this tutorial I want to make an elegant landing page for WordPress with the Divi theme. So I'm using the Divi theme to make this elegant WordPress landing page, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. I did a little something to the email opt-in. You can see it right here, but let's go ahead. It's just a short tutorial video. Let's go ahead and find out how to do it right now. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'll let you know how you can get this landing page for yourself. Alright, so now we're going to be designing an elegant Divi theme landing page with an elegant email opt-in. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I just enabled the visual builder on this page, and it's a brand new page, blank template, no sidebar. Go to section settings up here, and we're going to go to background. We're just going to add our background image. Alright, there it is, and let's go upload image. Alright, now our background is back there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our background color. We're going to add it black. We should go back to our image and scroll down and go to background image blend, and we'll go to overlay. All right, we'll go back to our color, and if we just click on it, it'll bring up our transparency, which is right over here. Just bring that down a little bit. We want it to be a little bit darker there, and this image will fill out in just a minute here. Okay, we'll just bring it right there. Right now, let's make a row. And this is just going to be like an elegant email opt-in form. It's going to be like just this form on this page. So let's go ahead and just hit email opt-in, and we'll go to check. And now I'm just going to go here to section settings and go to design and sizing. I'm going to go down to min height, and I'm just going to do 1,000 pixels. Okay, 1,000, just so we can see what we're working with here. Now I'm going to go back into section settings. I'm going to go to background, and I'm just going to make this darker, just a little bit darker here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is do the settings, and I'm going to delete the title, and I'm going to delete the text for that email opt-in there. I'll go to design and layout and do body on top, form on bottom. All right, and I don't want the last name in there. And actually, I'm going to switch my email account now, so it just shows up as a first name and an email. So go in here and select your provider, and there we go. Now you can select your list too. I choose GetResponse. That's my email provider. I like everything that they do, so I have a bunch of tutorials on them if you're interested in learning about the email marketing, but you can find that link below. And then success action, it's going to redirect to a custom URL, and then you just want to put the link right here. Okay, whatever URL you want to direct to, put the link right there. And let's go to check to close that out and see what we got. Okay, now I'm just going to add a text box real fast, and we're going to get back to that email opt-in form in just a second here. All right, I'm just going to add here. All right, just add my text in there. I'm going to go to design and text. I'm just going to make it text color white, and I'm going to make it all capitals. Actually, maybe I won't make it all capitals. We'll see. Let's make it a little bit bigger though. Let's make it 32, and I'm going to make it light, so it's like that, and we will make it. Okay, and then we'll just do that. Increase the letter spacing just a little bit more, and we'll make it centered. And all right, check. Now I'm actually just going to move this text box. All right. And then what I'm going to do with this email form, I'm just going to go to the settings again, go to text and background. I'm just going to delete the background. So we have this. I'm going to go to this button right here, just hit the paintbrush, and I'll go right to the button. And I'm going to go to use custom styles. All right, I'm going to increase the text size probably to around 28 or so. All right, and then let's go down here real fast and choose the font. I'm just going to go to light as well. And I'm going to choose capitalization, which is right here. No button icon, but we are going to space it out a little bit. So if it, right here, letter spacing. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to check. So we save that and see what it looks like. Okay. Now we are going to add some spacing in between here, but that's going to be in just a minute. And let's go back here to this button and go to this border. Okay. Let's go to the border. Border width is going to be 1. And the border radius is going to be 0. Okay, and let's go to a background, and we're going to be white, but it's going to be way down here, transparent. Okay. Let's go to check, so that saves that button there. Go back to the settings and go to the paintbrush up here on the name field. And then, so we'll go to background color. All right, so we just go into background color here. We can make it transparent. And what we're going to go is just go to the border. Let's go to the border width, and we're just going to go to 1. And it's going to be white. But what we're going to do is make the border on the top go to 0. Make the border on the side go to 0. The bottom stays 1 and the other side goes to 0. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll also go ahead and increase the name size here. So if we go to font weight, let's go to light. Let's go to capitals. Go ahead and increase the field size. Okay, and now let's go to letter spacing. Just make that 1 more there. Okay, line height's fine. Now let's go ahead and go to check. Now you can see the sizing on this. We want to bring the sizing down a little bit, so go to design and sizing for the row. And you can see the max width 1080. That's fine. You can just leave it if you want. You know, so take down. All right, 30%, and then we'll just knock this down a little bit. All right, we'll do 100 pixels there. Go check. And we'll actually do a little bit on the bottom of this text right here. I could put this in another row and just do the same thing, but we'll just go ahead and go design and spacing on this one, and on the bottom we'll go to 64. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, check. Now let's go ahead and check this out on mobile and tablet. Of course, it looks all scrambled there. Now we're going to go back to our row and go design and sizing. And let's go up to our width. Go to our photo, or go to our tablet symbol there. And we'll just go to 95, so it's full width on the tablet, which looks fine. Same thing for the phone. Yeah, 95 is fine. Okay, and now what we will do though is we will go to check and go to the settings on this and go to design and text for this text. Let's go to the line height, and we can put this at 1.3. And if we go to the phone now, there it is. Let's go a little bit smaller, 1.1, 1.2 looks good. Okay. Just go to, and we can actually take the text size down a little bit. Let's do that because I don't want that to be that big. 21. $19 looks good, so we'll go with that and go check. Let's go to the tablet and the phone, or in the big screen. All right. One thing I will do is I'll go right back here and go to the text color, the field's text color, and go to white. Okay, go to check, and now save. And before you go, guys, I want to let you know about where you can find this landing page at. If you go to diviplanet.com and sign up for the 5 free landing pages, you'll be taken to an offer to where you can go over 100 different landing pages for the Divi theme. And as a bonus, I'm adding all my YouTube tutorial videos and my landing pages to the back end whenever I'm creating them. I've already added a lot, and I'm adding this one right here at the very end. So go ahead, check out diviplanet.com, and I'll see you on the inside. I hope you enjoy this simple, elegant landing page here made with the Divi theme. Now, if you like this tutorial, I'm sure that you like some of my other landing page tutorials I have. If you want to know how to set up an email autoresponder with this landing page, I do tutorials like that too. So you can go ahead and check those out in my playlist. But go ahead and check out this landing page playlist that I have right here, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy some of those landing page tutorials for the Divi theme. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.